Good morning, Texans. Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our pledges of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now we'll observe a moment of silent reflection. Reminder to seniors, get those scholarship offers in. We have eclipsed $10 million in scholarships. Last year's class got over $17 million. So I'm just saying, seniors, get that information into your counselor or to Miss Charlene Jackson, our counseling assistant. We need that really quickly because we're getting ready for legacy awards and graduation programs. And so we need to make sure we get those in. If you earned an honor cord for graduation and you have not yet ordered that, information went out to seniors and senior families yesterday. If you did not get that email, give an email to Ms. Ponce. She is my administrative assistant. That's Elise Ponce. It's eponce@nisdtx.org if you have questions about that. But those are available online for you to order now. Oops, I skipped over Legacy Awards. Back up here. Legacy Awards are going to be online May 22nd, and so we'll be putting those together very shortly. And then Night of Excellence will be online May 21st. That's our Underclassmen Awards. You will receive tonight, you should receive tonight, a graduation information email from Dr. Warren at or after 5 o'clock. There will be a press release that will go out, and following that press release, Dr. Warren will share more detailed information about senior graduation. So be looking for that today. And those are all of the announcements I have for you today. Texans, make it a great Thursday. I love you. I miss you. I can't wait to see you again.